This love is like the ocean that's crashing over me. It's like falling rain on the driest plains as far as eyes can see. And this love is like the trees that are looking down on top of me. And this love is like no other. It's right where I wanna be.
Welcome, family and friends and loved ones. We are gathered here today to celebrate the wedding of Corey DeYoung and Kristen Mikowski. We've come here from far and near to witness and to share in the commitment they now make to one another as they offer your love, and as we offer them, rather, our love and support to their union. And allow Corey and Kristen to start their married life together, surrounded by the people who are dearest to them.
This love is like the church bells, as loud as they can ring. In the good man's face on his wedding day, when he sees his bride to be.
Marriage is the promise between two people who love each other, who trust that love, who honor one another as individuals in their lives together, and who wish to spend the rest of their lives together. Corey, please take Kristen's hand, repeat after me. Kristen, I take you as you are.
Kristen, I take you as you are.
Loving who you are.
Loving who you are.
I promise from this day forward.
I promise from this day forward.
To be grateful for our love in our life.
To be grateful for our love in our life.
To be patient with you and myself.
To be patient with you and myself.
To fill our life with adventure.
Fill our life with adventure.
In our home with laughter.
In our home with laughter.
To inspire you to grow as an individual.
To inspire you to grow as an individual.
To love you completely.
To love you completely.
All these things I pledge to you.
All these things I pledge to you.
These things I pledge to you.
These things I pledge to you.
Kristen and Corey, you have declared your love and commitment to each other. And you have given and received a ring as your symbol of promise. By the power of your love and the commitment you made to each other, and by the power invested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.
Friends, welcome and thank you for coming to celebrate Kristen and Corey's wedding with us today. Kristen has always been my baby girl, always ready to show me her pretty shoes or ask for help killing a spider in her room. Moving forward, Corey is on spider duty.
You already probably have. I'm so happy that my sweet girl has found someone so special to share her life with. And we're so happy to welcome Corey into our family. So let's raise a glass and toast to Kristen and Corey as they start their life together. Cheers. Yay.
Direct quote from tarot.com. A Virgo marriage will be characterized by the sense of duty that supports the love and passion between two people. So it's literally the perfect time to make the commitment of marriage, and they probably had no idea, thus proving that both astrology and their love are real. But astrological compatibility aside, I know that Kristen and Corey are perfect for one another, and I'm so excited to welcome my new brother Corey into our family. Congrats to you both. Cheers.
Kristen, welcome to Corey's Adventure Club. I cannot wait to see the adventures that you will have. So everybody raise your glass. All right. May the adventures of Corey and Kristen be long-lasting and full of health, wealth, and happiness. Love you guys.
Like to love, see the sun looking down from below.